What you mean?
A magnetic separator.
One person will speak also all what is called magnetic separator. So what it does? Just explain what you have made. Non-magnetic
Materials.
when you made this.
Iron to the sand.
Once. So where you use this one? Why? Until how you made it?
First we took a cardboard, then we cut it with a length of 21 centimeters and a width of 10 centimeters. Then after that we made four caps, then and two cylinders. We kept the axles. We poked the hole through the cap using axle. Then we use black color paper to make the conveyor belt, and then we use matchsticks to support to hold the mixture on the conveyor belt.
How much time you take? 3 days. 3 seconds.
Is there any specific reason how you used to do black color chart? Because I use black color.
You can use any other color, but it's more visible in black color.
This is classic. You can
Why is this anti-clockwise spelling and then clockwise
any direction you use, current produces. That's what you want to do. So any direction you use, current produces. How you make? What is the
Not this is for
in a magnet? Yeah. What is this?
Which was the top?
can
Like that. Which produces
what we made. Not so how it works. So what is the practical utility of this? Well, you made a circuit, you made something, but I don't know. So how to use it actually? Suppose if I come to your house, how it recognizes me? What you are from? Is it telling in Abdul Kalam, please welcome like that, or is it recognizing? I am standing in front of the camera. What it says, let me see. You are not doing the camera. You remove I click me. Yes, on my email.
So you can take this and you can make a note of how many products for this.
So only those persons only unknown source. Somebody has come to recognize it. Yes.
We could show you the actual code, but there is no network issue. I already have it now.
You would have brought something. You are not hard.
So right now we only program that it is. Is there a potato
And potato leaf.
This is so far.
Yes, sir. It is what? It's a work.
What is this from the Goa? So how many calories are there in Goa in this? What is this from the Goa? What do you eat? This week, once a month. 60 years old. I have 80 kilos. What's on?
They connect we will connect it through the system. Positive will go through the but then we connect it to the LED. Because LED has polarities, one negative and one positive polarity. Next we have to connect the positive bias to right power of the server voltage.
Please
We program that the very big.
So you provided the photo, it can identify that it is this food, and it will tell you how many calories
Server
are there.
voltage is here, that's for the work.
We only program it to
Runs on
yeah.
PWM.
If you program it with more data, more samples and more pictures, it will be more accurate and it gives you more.
These are the steps we have explained to you, but we are honored them.
It's exploding in air.
Terminals and we are connecting and how it operates is how this is actual circuit diagram we have done in PSB Bachupally. So we have understand the system and the missing program. And so our circuit works under the floor process. Machine learning is the base of the person which we have in the sector as So here we will run the green code to start the system. So we have to give voice commands and it will follow the voice commands. We will use simple commands like turn off the lights, turn on the light, please open the door, please close the door. And the system will respond accordingly. So you have to say Tom and let it response. First Tom, when we say Tom, that is the most important thing is the part for energy and then we mention that. So this is a smart invention designed with modern technology to make travel safe, fast and comfortable and to save time.
How do you?
Sensor detects the weight and allows the bridge to flow around on itself and open function when the train leaves the station.
Don't push it, then let it go on its own. Just put it back. Then you move the train slowly. Sensor didn't work.
So the train is very slow.
small, so it's not big. That's the reason I'm using both IR sensor meters. When the tail will be like pieces there. When both IR sensors break, then only the tail will not
Then go. You have one more number.
say. Sorry, but I told this small one should have.
Because you have put it left side. Good. Very good. Yours is?
Which grade?
8th class.
Your 7th class. 8. Just explain about your
Solar panels are really important for daily life because we need them for using lights, fans, computers, phones, and refrigerators. The sun is a renewable energy source, which means it won't run out, so we can use it. We can use it anytime we want. During night time, even though when the sun is not there, it stores the energy during the daytime. So during night time also we can use the energy. The extra energy we store in the battery so we can use
Yours is 6th class, huh? Good. Shanti Niketan. What you?
So our project is enhanced student time training project. This is helps students carry their books to school. Shows the books here. And it should make the original artworks. After the paint is the session, it should make the page So like we are doing many programs in itself so that we make the IR sensor like open book and close book which helps the kids to know and the IR sensors and the LED lights that make the LED sensors that helps for voice assistance and for heat status. So yes sir. So, for developing these programs, you can understand that many people who are these packages they can't find their way properly and they might lose their lives also. But the people started going like stairs instead of them they're trying to go the path which makes even much more. So the smart wheel allows them It consumes the sun energy and makes it into electricity. Just for example, we connected this twice. This is important because we need the power gets activated. Lights, fans, cameras, even our refrigerators. Fridays, sir, they can be kept in houses, schools, parking lots, even on satellite space. They are being used all over the world to reduce pollution and to make the world a cleaner future.
Why should you only
We have this box. solar panels.
We fix the timetable, we solar cells are made the timetable and the camera. So it will detect the still whether it is still right. But it will say like we need to carry the meter or not. We need to set
My name is Samsuna. We are the students of grade 7. Today we will be explaining about the interesting topic and business strategy. So many kids take the books to school every day, but this project shows the books that if you show a book here, it will detect if you should take it or not. So first we have to say the date. Hi. Hi. Then solar panels so that the units of electricity can be used and we can use the sunlight to get of the solar panels.
How do you make? थोड़ा ज़्यादा डाल ठीक है Not coming out? Yeah, it's coming. Okay. ठीक. तो पूरा आ गया. ठीक है, बढ़िया.
No, but that big substance, whatever is there, when you put sand at the top, there only it will get stuck, right? So from sand also you normally go through the pebbles. Then why you should
only
not-
sand? What is it? It's only sand.
So how did it get stuck?
We had
The sand.
pebbles.
How will it stop?
So the we put the water in the last because so the water can not be all the back and it's a
What if bottom fiber comes down?
because there is static gas. Water can be that
And come back. Photograph.
Voice.
Grade 7.
Yes. It's a rice water.
You are following it. I am saying this. Let me do that. Let me do that.
Because it's light already is there, so it's falling.
That's what I am saying. It's going back. Right is there.
Now we start follow the
Yeah. Right is there already. That's why it's going out. What is practical? Where we use it? What will you make this? Move. What it does actually? Going. You see the light is going. What for me? That's the practical.
Yeah. Like where is the light? If you're stuck in a dark, for example, that goes to the light. If you were lost in the forest, it's super dark, right? So wherever it lights up in that. And it sensors will detect the light
And
and
it will take you to the area where light is.
light is there. Yes.
But you're not totally blank there.
Yes, sir.
What the radius of sensors? Same necessarily when you lost in forest.
The radius of the sensor, how far?
From a dark till its which how much distance if light is somewhere around 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers away, can it detect?
And lost in forest.
Why you just start doing it?
Because it's a lady person, not yes. No, actually it's a lie. It's a new lie. Yes, it's a new lie. The sensor is lit up. And then the motor responds for lighting towards the light.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
That's also
This is 7, 8. We are 18 kilometers.
The sir was saying this one.
easily different. Easily project. So then it is 1, 3, 4, 5. What is your project name?
My project name is Chabot. It is called microbot. It's Chabot development. It works using this phone plugin or it will show you. Without plugin it will start with. So it is it has a plugin. It will show.
Why somewhere in the water tank tap factory? You put the water tank, you get the boat. That's what the part. Smoke machine. It takes the smoke. Saves the smoke. Where will you put this? No, no, no. Where did you do this? Yeah. This is not.
Example, there is an object. Okay. Now this is a cone, right? This is the ultrasonic sensor, sonic sensor. It makes waves, and the other side receives the waves. If the object supposedly comes, it will bounce it, and it will take the wave. So it will give to the command to the Arduino, move the servo motor. This is the servo motor. So like this, looks like this.
Automatically this will.
Yes, yes. Sir, we can also make this in the water. Water. Sir, like this. If there is a car, we were trying to make an example when we are going out of the water. Like hurricanes will be there.
Nice.
And so this can be used as a dispenser also. Like this. The possibilities are almost like we know in this sensor is really like everything's getting better. Arduino.
What does it mean?
Arduino. It is a microcontroller which can be used for projects like these or more higher like radars. Sir, we can make a radar with the sensor. Yeah. Connecting it to the laptop, we can make a radar. With the same parts. Yes, with the same exact same parts.
Thank you. Nice. Louder. Explain your project. What is the name of your project?
It's the robo waste collector. So these are not the robo waste collector. So we have built this model together. We noticed many problems. Like there's a lot of waste around, like parks, streets and whatnot. So we made this model to help with that. The problem this causes is this model. The problem of litter is if there's a lot of litter, it can affect human and animal lives alike. So we built this model to help with that. So I'll explain what it's made of. So it has a few main parts. The brain, also called the pussy, is basically the motor which powers the robot and can be controlled through my laptop. And the other main part is the sleeping bag which feeds the cat. And then these are an important part which help the person navigate I plan on adding a camera, but due to short motorcycle add it in the future, I plan on adding it. This is too small for it. Now I'm going to show it. So as you see, it's going forward and collecting the trash. Now it was not able to collect most of the trash, so it's going back. And then again collecting trash. So it's collecting the trash bit by bit. So after it collects the trash, it's trying to get it all to this one pot. From where it is segregated by where it can be segregated. So it got the trash around this area where people or other robots can segregate. So thank you.
This is a vertical farm. We have a vertical farm. So, what if we could grow fresh food in apartment buildings using 98% less water? 98% less water. So this is a vertical farm using hydroponics. The reason it is such less water is because it's hydroponic. The problem with traditional farm is that there is not much land to build agricultural areas, and the existing agricultural areas are shrinking due to urban expansion and economic activity. So the solution could be that there is another problem that the climate change makes the crop cycle extremely unpredictable and vulnerable to droughts and floods. And usually food comes from thousands of kilometers away, imported from other countries, so it reduces the freshness of the food. So by 2050, about 68% of the population, global population, will be moving to urban cities. So we need to find new ways to grow food, which the way should be space efficient, it should be water efficient, it should be local. And vertical farming offers a powerful solution and gets all of us.
So are you using soil here? Soil. नहीं use करता है इसको?
No, it's hydroponics, so it uses
hold it with cotton, then the only roots touch the water, and we put some nutrients in the water, so they get nutrients and they grow faster, and there is no
Solid
content.
So once you add nutrients to the water, you suffice to pump into the medicine in the water.
Yes.
Are you able to change what you do?
Yes, needs to be changed every 2 days as the nutrients might run out, and plant excretion may build up inside of the
Explain when you are calculating the project, how you do it.
Every day, maybe thousands of people take to more access just you know, the opportunity to buy every single year just using the access. Recently, asked me 6-year-old child, so we did one that started and once we saw this, we was the opportunity. This is a prototype of the our star, which drives a it is a Bluetooth headset, but in the future AI. This car has sensors which detect obstacles and signals even in a foggy place. If it's red, it stops. If it's green, it moves. In the AI cars will communicate with each other and with signals. Means no traffic, no confusion, and it has no noise. This car is electric, no petrol and no pollution. The AI will detect the battery level. If the battery level is low, it automatically goes to the charging point, charges itself, and continues the play. This makes the conflict more cleaner and part. Even in foggy highways or even busy cities, the air never gets distracted, confused or tired. Advantage: less pollution. These car uses electricity, so it reduces the cost. And it reduces traffic jams because the air can instantly react and get to coordinate weather.
What is our vision? Our vision is system is modern generation, is the future of our generation. And it also helps us with more, there is more car charges, and there is more civil rights, and also more resistance for everyone. Just like this, There is a very foggy place, so they couldn't see what was coming from. So there was 158 cars that was stuck in this jam. So one after the other, all the cars got jammed, and at the end they had to close the highway.
Is it driverless car?
So here we're driving it with Bluetooth, but we only have cars like Tesla, Waymo, and some are even being developed in India for this future car.
With some commercial apps used like Uber is developing this application in US.
She is studying to the vibrations to these electric buses.
So what we actually did is, it's a 9-volt battery. We connected it to the battery pack, and then we kept it in a piezoelectric disc. This is how a piezoelectric disc is. It acts as a conductor and makes the vibration produced from the vehicles to pass into this to produce the light as a street light. So what? Well, instead of doing that, we also made it more advanced and used an Arduino that we call as the brain of the computer. So that we have a program that these two sensors, IR sensors, will make it in the movement of the vehicle. So this is connected. The sensor will sense the vehicles and it will switch on all the LEDs. By that sensor, all the LEDs will be switched off. So it will check the movement and immediately when it moves out of the road, it will switch off. So there is no waste of the battery.
Advantages of this system. Compared to the normal street light we see on the road, this is so better because when the cars go only, the lights will glow and those street lights will be glowed for the whole time. So here the less pollutants are released in the normal street lights, and for this it's eco-friendly system.
You can't have
Not a, it can be worked in rural areas. But we have just need a little bit of vibration and the pressure on it so that it can generate electricity. If it is a pull-up cart also say in the rural areas, the pressure exerted by it can help in generating the power for the cellulose.
So you can sense it.
So you can touch it, sir. Here.
And the vibration was the light becomes.
Yeah. For real life application, we can use this in the
police coming back.
Yeah, that actually, piezoelectric tiles acts only if there is a pressure applied to that, and it produces electricity. And you can use for application in real life application.
Smart is modern gadgets like smartwatch, luggage, handbag.
features of Khabar. Here we have a headlight, a torch indication, and we have a charging port, and we have an LED inside. We have an LED inside, and this contains a GPS tracking and the theft blocking device. Now has been thoroughly tested about the advantages of smartphone.
Advantages of a smartphone are easy to track camera and has a GPS tracker and has stable anti-theft locking system and right and the difference between a normal bag and a smart bag. A normal bag just carries books and other items. A smart bag is a modern version of the bag which can not only carry books but also charge devices and provide safety and comfortability. Over to my friend Lakshmi. The smart bag contains the smart bag is available for students like charging on the go. When the smart bag comes with the charger and USB ports, so students can charge their mobile and e-readers. And GPS and tracking. It has GPS and tracking. If the bag is lost or stolen, the GPS tracking can help it to find quickly. Now over to my friend. Now I will explain some brands of smart bags like Innovate, Mono bag and Xiaomi like Samsonite, etc. Thank you.
Thank you. Is it having battery inside?
Sir, sir.
There's something to explain for.
This screen helps to give us any information of our subject data set. If we have any
Shows
doubt,
that what is there inside? Bag.
Bag inside.
that is it.
So class of power.
We can have any anything and we can store any stationery. If we can't find, we can on a light and we can find it. Today we are making a presentation to walk you through the concept of what is Like what is one of the most essential resources of life? Like most of the world suffers severe water scarcity. With the increase of population and climate change, the demand for fresh water is gaining pace. To mitigate this challenge, we get the innovative solution. The concept of putting water now, making some the technical The fundamental principle of this is fundamental principle of condensation. So when ambient touches any cool surface, it condenses like this. And this is the Peltier module. The Peltier module, the heat dissipation effect, heating effect. And one side of the Peltier module has the cooling effect or heat absorption effect. You can touch it. It's heating effect. And under this is the cooling effect. And so simultaneously the pumping device pumps water to the water block. The water block absorbs the cooling effect of the Peltier module and transmits it to the water inside the block. And we are using water because water is more sustainable, environmentally friendly, not ozone depleting, and it is safer than other refrigerants like aerosol refrigerants, which deplete the ozone layer. Then this chilled water passes through this pipe and comes to the copper condenser tube. Here, the chilled water circulates through this tube, and this causes a low temperature. You can touch it. This causes a low temperature. So a low temperature occurs, and when humidity, ambient, water vapor, whatever is it, when it comes contact with this copper condenser tube, it condenses like this and it gets collected into the water collection chamber. Our QC expert Aryan will explain about what are the advantages and uses of this water.
We have to insert this in people's rooftops because there will be more humidity and water there. This water is distilled water. This is over purified. We have to little bit impure it by adding minerals like calcium, manganese, etc. After adding it, we can cleanly drink it. Wash it with dishes and rub it off.
We can further add and the more environmentally friendly as we don't need electricity, we don't need the sun.
Now the water that you are using from the reservoir to here, because you need to send the full water chain to your tank.
Only limited amount of
That water gets keep circulating.
yes, it keeps circulating. This the inlet, this the outlet. It again comes in. After this pipe, then this component goes. The water is just for a medium. Just for a medium for cooling the condenser part. So we can keep on using this water. Keep on using it instead of wasting this water.
H2O from
Yes,
H2O
from air. Okay, water.
from air.
Very good moisture created in the water.
Atmospheric water.
Tell about the project. Auto irrigation. Auto irrigation system. Explain it.
So, the introduction of our water irrigation system will get right.
Automatic irrigation system. What is the plan for using that? When how much water is delivered for the manual operation.
So, I hope you understand the detail. Next, the mechanism will be explained by Jwala. And the advantages of our project will be explained by Yoshi. Easy to use and control, and water is then become a simple task. Users of yes. She said, when we started, like
Here,
it gets the dryness of the soil and it will give us the vessel. And we start the pump.
already was.
We manually start the
Oh,
pump.
good.
When it detects the water, it will show.
Sensor. Check. Very good. Idea is. Robot. Okay.
This is the product. It enriches the product and it works automatically by sensing ultrasonic sensor. Not smartphone sensor and this is a
we are using the all the using that which is used to bring to the objects of and when we all on this go on so you can go and see, we need to know the fundamental law of condensation. So whenever ambient air touches the surface of the any cold surface, it condenses into a liquid. To get the same concept is first we need to know about Peltier model. The Peltier model has a thermoelectric effect. That means one side of the Peltier model has that heat absorption like effect or cooling effect, and the other side has a heat dissipating effect or heating effect. Simultaneously, the pump is pumping water to the water pump. The water pump is absorbing all the cooling effect and heat absorption effect of the Peltier model. Then is chilled water. We are using chilled water because the chilled water because it's sustainable. Second of all, it is more environmentally friendly. Therefore, it's not also taking. Fourth of all, it is better than refrigerants which have aerosol. Then this chilled water passes through this tube and goes through a copper condenser coil. Here, the copper condenser coil which gives a low temperature. When the atmosphere, humidity, whatever touches this coil, it liquefies and gets collected in the liquid chamber, in the water collection chamber.
Exciting and intellectually vibrant science exhibition. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the school management, respected principal, dedicated teachers, and enthusiastic students for inviting me to the part of this remarkable occasion. Today, as I walk through the corridors filled with models, experiments, and ideas, I see more than just science. I see imagination in motion, curiosity in taking shape, and innovation being born. This exhibition is not just a display of projects, it is a celebration of young minds daring to explore the unknown. Science is the language of discovery. It teaches us to ask questions, to challenge assumptions, and to seek truth through evidence. And what better place to nurture this spirit than in a school, where the seeds of knowledge are sown every day. The models we have built and the concepts we have explored today may seem small, but they are the first step towards solving the real world problems. Where it is a solar power plant or water purifier system, a simple demonstration, each project reflects your creativity, effort, and passion. The teachers, the guidance and mentorship are the invisible scaffoldings behind every successful student. Thank you for encouraging and curiosity, for making science not just a subject but an adventure. Parents, your support is the foundation on which. Let us remember that science is not just about formulas and facts. It is about asking why, imagining what if, and daring to say, I'll find it out. In the world facing climate change, whatever you take, it is a rice what you eat. So we are the people working on rice. I worked in rice for the last 25 years. I started my journey from the border to the China. There is near to Sri Lanka. I was working there, then I transferred to Hyderabad. Here also same work I am continuing. My work is on diseases of rice and its management. So how like us, rice also have so many diseases. So we manage the disease, then they will be healthy and giving you food. Actually, at the time of independence, just my I think in 1940s, our state was not like that today. So it was only population is 36 crores, but production is also not that much. We were asked to, our predecessors, our scientists, they asked us to go for higher production. So we were looking for production. That time we were looking for the only ship to come from some other country to give us food. But now today you see the fate of our country. It has gone to tremendous. Even the population is 1.4 billion today reached, but still we are sufficient in food production. I can proudly say it's because of the hard labor of all the scientists and the hard and very hard work and then what farmers are doing. You know that during COVID time, everything went disrupted, but agriculture only saved our country because we produced enormous food so that we can supply to the entire world. And then now we are exporting the food, we can say proudly. Then that is what the science means here. So you believe in science, you do in science and right spirit, ask questions daily. What is this? Suppose when C.V. Raman has not asked the question to him that why sky is blue, that effect has not come. He would not got the Nobel Prize. Similarly, in our agriculture sector also, those people did not ask how to produce. Then this production will not happen. So daily you ask implicit that you develop in your minds, and then you will get so many solutions. I went through all your projects very carefully, very meticulously. I listened to you very patiently, and then the hard work what you have done, the innovations what you have made, the creativity what you have brought into the project, with the efforts of the teachers and with the support of your parents, will never go waste. Today you may not win the prize, but tomorrow it will fetch you in long run. I hope this goes, I think, in your mind. I think my purpose will be served. Thank you, Undar.
It's a great thing to meet with such a people here, and it's very inspiration and very motivating to the children that they can also be in such a place that probably they can say that what they are doing for the country. Thank you a lot. And I would like to thank Principal Ma'am. Thank you a lot for creating such a platform for the children where they can come and they can explore their knowledge and they can showcase what can they do, and where they can take our citizen to the future and where we can be in the future. Thank you a lot for providing such a platform, and thank you a lot. And children, really I'm proud of you and everyone, you did well, and many more such events should come place. By that you can showcase your knowledge, your talent there, and everyone should get appreciated, and many more prizes for you, and congratulations the one for going to win, and please don't get demotivated, you won't get. So this will be the inspiration that what we can do well. So how can you can present more the things and how can do well in the next